Hi everyone, and warm holiday greetings to you and your family. Tashtele. My name is Kesang, and I'm here today on behalf of the Tibetan Association of Northern California. As we come together for Giving Tuesday, I want to take a moment to share why your support means so much to our community. For over 30 years, TANC has been more than an organization. It's been a home for our Tibetan community. It's where we come together to preserve and celebrate our culture and support one another in times of need. From creating a vibrant community center to running a Namche Kitsé Tibetan Sunday School where children learn Tibetan language, culture, and performing arts, TANC has made a real difference in countless lives. For myself and many others in our community, TANC is not just about the programs or the events. It's about belonging. It's about ensuring that our kids grow up surrounded by their heritage and that our traditions are not just memories, but living, breathing parts of our lives. This holiday season, we're asking for your support to help us continue this important work. Giving Tuesday is the perfect opportunity to give back, whether it's through a personal donation or a contribution through your workplace. Your generosity helps us offer scholarships to Tibetan students, create spaces where our community can connect and celebrate, and raise awareness about Tibet's struggles. Every single dollar you give goes directly towards keeping our culture alive and helping our community thrive. If you'd like to support TANC, it's easy to donate. You can visit our website at tanc.org for more information or mail a check directly to us. Your kindness this holiday season will have a lasting impact, ensuring that Tibetan culture thrives for generations to come. Thank you for your time and generosity. Together we can make a difference. From all of us here at TANC, we wish you and your family a joyous holiday season. Thank you.